What's up, people? Jacob here again. Another Zeppo Works video for you. Putting into the Ep3. You see the valve cover. Stay tuned for that. We're doing that. And the exhaust flex O2s. Get rid of these codes. Be code free. So, stay tuned. Plenty more to come. What's up, people? Today we are working on the Ep3. Got a real bad miss. Ran the Misfire code, so got a new set of coils. So I'm gonna change these coils out, put them in, and we got a couple other things to do, plugs and stuff, but stay tuned. Bunch more to go on the Ep3. Long overdue. Okay, take that cover off, put it right there, and you can see the coils right here. I'm gonna take the one here, stud there, another stud there, like that. And I'll clip them out and get it off. Alright, people, so right now taking out the valve cover because the stud is busted. So got a new surprise coming up. You'll see it. You'll see it. That's it. Lift it off. Oh, here's a new color, people. The valve cover. Like I said, I replaced that stud when I had the valve cover off. New gasket. So put all the rest of it back together, and the trim piece looking good though. Looking good. Alright, people, so now after the belt covers on, all the bolts are in, cap on. I'm gonna pull the plugs, put a new set of plugs in so you can get these new coils in and see how it runs then. It's been a battle. We went through 2 TPSs, and oh yeah, look at that. No bueno. No bueno. Ooh, there it goes, people. You see it. Ooh, looking good. Ep3 is gonna come out real nice. Come out real nice. Okay, people, so now we're cutting out the old flex and we're going to weld in a new flex. It's a little bit longer, but that's what we can get. I'm going to replace the O2 sensor, and I had to undo the header. I see it. That's down there. Light. Over here, Kenny, Longo's house. Alright, people, so we got it all welded. It's all set now. Just finished up wiring O2 and we're done. So, let's continue on here. Let's see what's going on over here.
I don't know, I think the company can do. I think we think better than they like to. I really do. But it's just, it's happy, but alright, we're on the way. We'll see in a second. Bye, buddy. So right now, we're going to end the traffic at Kyle.
That's the guy right there. I think that's the motherfucker I saw.
Yeah, that's Wyatt from Booster Boys.
That's fucking crazy.
Oh, you can see it, people. DT Street Radio Pro 275 60 15s. You can see the rotation is going the wrong way. I'll have to get this tire flipped. The other one's right. And like I said before about the studs, I got some new ones there and some new nuts for this. But that'll be in the next video. So just remember, look forward to, we'll be getting to the Nova, seeing what's up with it, checking out some more stuff. It's dirty right now, it's been sitting here. So just please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Got more Honda stuff coming up, and some more shit on the Nova. Yep. Not bad though. It is what it is. Stay tuned, people.